Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying a loose mannequin. Think of Elsa as a simplified figure. Start with a vertical center line and 8 head proportions so posture reads regal. Sketch an oval for the skull, small jawline, then stack torso and pelvis ovals with a slight S-curve to imply movement. Place shoulder and hip markers. Elsa's weight shifts slightly to one leg, so make one hip higher. Once done, refine the neck and guideline for facial angle so later features align correctly. Now you refine anatomy and clothing so the character reads as Elsa. Use horizontal facial guides to position large eyes and a slightly upturned nose. Keep features soft to match her youthful look. Define the fitted bodice with a slight V-waist and draw long sleeve seams. Flow the skirt from the hips with curved lines indicating fabric folds. For hair, block the overall mass, side part, crown volume, and braid trajectory, because establishing big shapes may finish by committing to confident line work and selective detail. Ink or darken your final contours, keeping lighter strokes for fabric creases and braid segments. Add eye highlights and subtle eyelashes to sell expression. Indicate cape texture with sparse glints and soft edge lines rather than over-detailing. Once done, gently erase guidelines and adjust proportions. If she looks stiff, widen shoulders slightly or lengthen the lower leg. If face seems off, nudge eye spacing. That one tweak often fixes the pose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.